Hello SakaFed, hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today we will be making some Osso Buco. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get cooking. These are all the ingredients that we are going to use today. The exact amount will be listed in the description bar below. Our main ingredient is the Osso Buco. And as you can see, mine is already marinated. I left it overnight in the refrigerator. So I use this Bovril seasoning to marinate. Also some garlic, onion powder, black pepper, and some powdered beef seasoning. 1 can of stewed tomatoes, 5 cloves of garlic, onion, a tablespoon of green seasoning, 1 red pepper, and 2 packs of beef bouillon. So first I'm going to make a sauce with all these ingredients, and that sauce is what I'm going to use to cook the meat in. Alright, so I'm going to put everything in the blender. So we're going to cut our onion. So I'm just going to cut everything off and then I'll put it in the blender. Okay, that's all the cutting I need to do, and everything's going in here. And then some green seasoning. So everything just go in there and that's it. So I'm just gonna blend everything. And this should be okay now. Let's take a look. That's what I'm gonna cook it in. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave that aside and I'm gonna get the meat ready. So first step, I'm gonna brown the meat. What I'm gonna do is just turn this on, let the pan heat up, and then I'm gonna sear them just to brown them enough and help to keep the juices in. Okay, now my pan's ready. I'm just gonna put a little bit of cooking oil and let it heat up, and then I'm gonna put it in there. So you just want to leave it until it's nice and brown. You see it's coming along. So it's not ready yet. I'm going to brown some more. See all the fat in there. That's the kind of beef. It's the Wagyu. Side here, yeah, container. There you go. That beef is looking so good, and it's so tender. This is, look at that. Okay, I think that's ready now for my son. Yep. So we turn it off. Now I'm just going to put it in my roaster. So we're going to take it off of there. From here, put it in this one now. Have to make space for 4 people. So, look at that. And then I'm going to bring the sauce over. Next step, just pour the sauce right over it, and it's going to cook in that sauce. Then I'm going to put my bouillon. I'm going to empty this right on top, so it's in there. I'm putting 2. You want to enhance that beef flavor, so that's why I'm putting these bouillon packs. Tomato juice also here. Sorry for the noise, guys, but just want to make sure I get every little bit out, and then I just put that in there. That's it. So all there is to it. I'm going to wait till my oven reaches temperature and then put this in, and that's what I'm going to cover it and let it just cook until it's nice and tender. So I'm going to cook it at 400. It should cook for, I would say, 2 hours, because you want it nice and succulent. Yum. And I will check it occasionally, but I'm thinking it's gonna need at least 2 hours. That's it, no more than 2 hours, because actually this one is very tender cut of meat because of the kind of beef. I was lucky, I got the Wagyu beef. She said that's what it was from my butcher. So this one is very tender. With the regular beef, it would take maybe a little longer, and you might have to cook it on a lower temperature, so maybe 350 is usually what I would cook it on. Now I'm going to take this Osso Buco out of there. So this is what it looks like once it's done. It's all done. So I'm just going to put one on a plate, and you can see what it looks like. And that rich tomato sauce. Just going to take some and put it right there. Now this is really good if you want to have some polenta, or you can have risotto or rice, potatoes. You can have this with anything, any side. Some asparagus would be really, really nice. So I'm going to taste this. My mouth, this is so good. Look at that. Whoa. That is so good. It's nice and tender. That is so good. Look at that. Look, delicious. That is so good. It's juicy, delicious. And here you have it, guys. Our delicious Osso Buco with savory tomato sauce. Thank you for watching. We look forward to see you again next time. Until then, God bless.